say 8 pi 0 and 0 8 pi 0 r0 by 3 square plus 1 by 3 plus 1 c square square cap is c square 8 pi z cp to the 4 t by k cz square cp square r c 1 by r z eta, then it is 8 pi z cp 4 plus k cz square minus cp square whole square. It is a new system of coordination system of new solution of sensitivity and quantum theory. I have to calculate now what by the system I have to calculate a new system Riemann I have to yes I have a Riemann 1.2 102 10 to the minus 44 kg s square second and r which cancel 4.037 into 10 to the 35 and z is 2.997 into 10 to the 8 and now is equal to r then half r z this and calculate 1.20 102 10 to the minus 44 and now half equal to 4.027 and 10 to the 35 into 2.99 into 10 to the 8 and calculation is equal to 0.6 into 10 to the 44. Now we have to calculate another system. We have to calculate another system. Now we have to calculate another system 1. R is yes. 8 pi z cp 4 then is equal to k1 cz square cp square it is negligible and thus cz is equal to 3 into 10 to the upper than and cp is equal to negligible. Okay, then calculation 1 9 into 10 to the 36. Now we have to measurement what are half r z and this and 8 pi z cp 4 1 CG square, CP square. Then calculation what? Their calculation each calculate 0.6 in Pandora 20, Pandora 24, and this calculates CG for CG 9 to Pandora 46. Rapidly, it is rapidly expanding of the universe. So our new calculation is equal to 8 pi z Cp 4 that and Cg square, Cp square, and this is the graviton particle. New solution of spacetime theory and quantum theory. I am based out of honors master in Chittagong University. I have calculated this new equation rapidly extending of the universe. I have published this journal 2022. Thank you very much.